It's no secret that exposure to UV rays from the sun is one of the primary reasons for plastics fading. That, paired with typical oxidization of plastics, can make a bike age rather quickly. My 10-year-old Yamaha BWS is a prime example of this. Even though she's low mileage, the plastics have started to fade. My question today is, do plastic restorations work? Today, I'm using a South African branded restoration kit. It comes with a rubber cleaner, as well as a back-to-black plastic revive. For now, I'm hiding the branding while we test this product. The channel is growing fast, and I don't want to promote any product without making sure it meets my standards. As indicated, the plastics need to be squeaky clean, so I'm going to be liberal with the cleaner, making sure that I get into all the small crevices, using the supplied brush to agitate all the dirt. I am going to do a follow-up video in 3 months on how well this product lasts, so definitely subscribe. If the product lasts, I'll show you who makes it. They advise that you let the cleaner sit for a minute to soak in before you give everything a proper rinse, and you got to make sure it's absolutely dry. To speed up the drying, I am using a microfiber and some compressed air, especially here on the floorboard where it's very intricate. At this point I was quite surprised to see the plastics look even more faded than they were, but I'm hoping that the chemical is going to come in hot and sort this out. Now we're at the exciting point of using the actual back-to-black plastic revive. Apparently only a few drops is necessary, and I'm using the supplied microfiber for this. I'm rubbing it deep into the surface so that it can be absorbed. And I have a sneaking suspicion that applying this product with a microfiber is not going to get into all the nooks and crannies. But I have an idea. I don't want to bore you guys too much with some chit chat, so enjoy the music, enjoy the time lapse. This is the application. I have sped this up 6 times, but I wanted to show you guys how the application goes, and you just need to pay attention to detail. Make sure you're not getting it on other things. I do sort of wish that it was in the instructions on the back. It did mark one of my grey plastics, but that's just part of it. Next time, I'll definitely mask things up. Looks like it's working well so far. Now onto the floor pan. Here you can really see the contrast. For the floorboard, where I did think this might not work perfectly with microfiber, I'm going to use a brush to try to get it in everywhere. And then afterwards, they do recommend that you wait 10 to 20 minutes after application to let it soak in, and if there's any residue, now's the time to wipe it up. So you guys saw what it looked like in the start. This is what it looks like now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Click here to see my top speed video.